Hey team, Joshua Meeks of course here. Just wanted to check in with you, and we're going to do a quick tutorial on the whiteboards for this Friday's training. A couple of them that we've had up for a minute, and I would just want to start focusing on those and implementing those and really maximizing these to the best we can so that we can keep track of the activities that we have going on, leverage those to the best of our capacity, and then help hold each other accountable on those activities. So of course, this is an exciting one. If you haven't seen it yet, I got to cross off Weir Werner, which is like number 12 for the year. So congrats, killing it, doing a great job. We are so stoked for what March, April, May, June is starting to look like. It's starting to shape up to be. And the amount of leads that you guys have that you're working on converting, and the amount of families that you're helping and needs that you're satisfying within your business. So real quick, just want to show you what this looks like, and it might be backwards on the screen, but what we have, of course, is our prospects, right? People that are maybes, people that are active, like maybe we have an agreement, either a listing or a buyer's agency with them. Contracts, ones that are under contract, make sure that you update those, and I'll be updating mine as well. Folks that are closed this year specifically is what's going to go on 2019. Your VIP clients, either from this year or from the previous years, you want to keep those top of mind and just keep them on your list so that as you are drip campaigning, those people who are your brand champions out there, that you have them top of mind for popping by their house, giving them gifts, rewarding them, inviting them to events, anything that we can do to keep those people blessed because they're a blessing unto us. And then we have after VIP is agents. So anybody that you're trying to get to join Keller Williams, building your profit share line could be a huge passive income stream. So you might as well take advantage of it. And then we have some 30-day, 90, and 1-year business goals. So what are you trying to accomplish? How many maybe appointments you're trying to get into? How many listings are you trying to have? How many buyers are you trying to have under contract? How many deals are you going to have closed? Just some simple 30, 90-day goals and a 1-year goal. So it doesn't have to be really elaborate, just anything at all on there. And then if you feel like sharing a 30-day or 90-day personal goal, either scheduling a vacation or starting to read books or something else, anything that feels like it's going to be something that's helping you get to the next step and that you would like accountability as we go over that. And then the dream big, which of course is just saying, hey, what's something crazy that you're trying to get accomplished this year that we could hold you accountable to, or the next year, anything at all that would be just a really big goal that you want to be able to share with the team. So on Fridays, what's going to happen every week after the team meeting at 9:30, we jump into the team training at 10:15. We're going to share our 411, go over some systematic trainings, and then go over after that the board every Friday and talk about what we're doing. A couple more boards that are going to be in the listing office here. One of them that we've revamped, and one of them is almost complete here. And those are the team project management boards. So this is more so like what are projects that we're working on as far as operations, as far as trainings that you want to help other people on. As buyer's agents, of course, what are some projects as far as like maybe some things that we can do to improve the process, ideas that you'd like to see implemented in order for us just to continue raising the standard of excellence on the real estate team. Media and marketing, of course, that's Justin and Sue's field. That's our friend Jake, who's working on also being on the buying side too. Bookkeeping, client care, coaching is like what we're helping even agents and non-agents with outside of our business, and then giving back, writing down some goals for there. So again, over here, 30-day, 90-day, and 180-day business goals as far as what you're trying to accomplish that you could see a need for within the team. These aren't transactional things. These are specifically projects that we're trying to work on that's going to holistically help the entire business as well as the team that you're currently working on. One more thing, there are 12 teams happening right here, and what we're going to probably add is some sort of a color code so that no matter what your team you're on, whether you're on one team or 4 teams, that you can write down your goals and kind of keep those track of those on your color. Finally, this one's one that we're going to be working on over the next few weeks. We're looking at the paperwork, the people involved in the process, and the actual process itself. So paperwork, people, and process. What we're going to do is we're going to have listings listed on this board specifically. Client, address, agent, and then we're going to be able to check off on the list. But where it's super helpful for you guys is because no matter what position that you're currently on in the team, is it's going to be kind of like a cheat sheet as far as what emails go out, what part in the process, who's involved as far as field, transaction coordinator, marketing, client care, buyer's agent, listing agent, who's involved in that process, and then what the paperwork looks like, all the way from, you know, the listing input form and the Form 17, the seller disclosure, to writing an offer, the Form 21, 22A, 22D, JK, through financing, the AL, the AR, the AP. And that way, as you're going through the process, if you have questions, it'll be a really smooth cheat sheet that just has basically these marked out as what the contracts are, who's involved in the process, what the next step might look like. And then on the listing side, for the listings that you are bringing into the team, a really smooth checklist. And maybe we'll implement some sort of a checklist for the buyer side as well that we could put in you guys' office on another board. So look forward to just really focusing on the whiteboards, the systems that we have. This year, we want to continue to look at the systems that we already have and talk about how we can maximize those to the best of their capacity, how we can leverage those the best we can. And behind the buyer's agent door, this is likely where we are going to be putting the buyer's checklist. So maybe a little bit down the road, we'll also start looking at utilizing Brokerman a little bit more, assigning tasks, synchronizing that to your phone, anything that we can do to make the process smoother, to make the process easier, to make the process more peaceful, to make the process just a more smooth process so that you feel comfortable with your clients and knowing that we know where they're at every step of the way, that you could feel confidently when you tell them, hey, we're a people-focused, performance-driven company, raising the standard of excellence within the real estate industry to bring joy to our clients and our team and value to our community. Happy Friday. Enjoy an incredible snow day. I'll keep you tuned in on what days of the office that we might actually be opened next week. Thank you so much for being a part of the PNW Real Estate team, and we'll talk to you soon.